Want to know how to make perfect bacon? Do you like bacon like I like bacon? You can do it in your toaster oven. I'm starting with a cake pan. Yeah, just a regular non-stick cake pan. These work really great. I have 5 slices of bacon here. Now I've cut the bacon in half and I'm ready to go. Popping the pan into the toaster oven. I'm doing 1 toast cycle. Now I have to say that my toast cycle is set for 4 to 5 slices of toast, so it's about 3 minutes. So I'm checking the bacon, and it's about half done, so I'm going to do another toast cycle again. So that was 2 toast settings, 2 cycles, and now I'm just going to take this bacon and drain it on paper towels. Wow, now look at this beautiful bacon. I didn't stand at the stove frying stuff. No, put it in the toaster oven. That's all I did. But look at how beautifully even these slices are. And they're not curled up. There are not little places where there is a lot of fat and then other parts that are too well done. This is done beautifully. And everything is evenly crisp. What a difference. So many wonderful things you can do in your toaster oven. Buy my cookbook. Pop it in the toaster oven, which you can buy anywhere. And give this bacon recipe a try. Next time you want bacon for breakfast, pop it in the toaster oven.